myself with integrity in all circumstances, to treat with dignity and respect all who share my life, to tirelessly strive for every greater knowledge and skill, to enthusiastically endeavor to share what I know with others, to use all that I have only to serve the greater good, that I may consistently abide by the code of excellence governing my profession, bring only honor to my alma mater, my friends, and my family, truly serve my Lord, my country, and my community. So help me God.
Thank you very much, Ms. Kyle Maxine De Leon. At this point, may we request the graduates to please remain standing for the singing of the STI hymn.